Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed a Google Drive video into your WordPress website. This is a simple way to share hosted content with your visitors without using up WordPress storage space. First, open Google Drive and locate the video you want to embed. Click the three-dot menu next to the file to access the sharing options. Next, adjust the sharing settings. Change it from restricted to anyone with the link. This ensures that all website visitors will be able to view the video. Now open the video in a new tab. From there, click the three-dot menu again and choose the option to get the embed code. Copy the iframe HTML code that appears. Head over to your WordPress site and open the page or post where you want the video to appear. In the editor, add a custom HTML block and paste the embed code inside it. Finally, preview the page to make sure the video displays and plays correctly. Once it looks good, save or publish your changes. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Google Drive video into your WordPress website. This method is efficient, saves storage space, and makes sharing content with your audience much easier.